welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a new different crochet. I'm actually doing a braidless crochet this time. I see a lot of people doing it, and I just want to know how long I can go with doing a braidless crochet. I normally don't like to do anything longer than 4 weeks for any style. I don't think I'm going to go that long with a braidless one, but we'll see. So let's just get into the install and then the initial review. Alright, so the hair that I'm going to be using is from the African collection. It is the Bantu knot 12-inch. You guys can see that. And it is the 3 times more. So it basically comes 3 bundles to a pack, and I got a total of 4 packs. However, I only undid 3. I don't think I'm going to need the 4th one just because this is already 1 pack. So yeah, that's the hair details. Okay, so as far as my hair, I do have a small twist in the front. That is going to be my leave out. Probably until the end of the year, if I do a protective style, it will be some form where I can leave my edges out. I don't want to have to pull them back into anything because I need to give them a rest. And then I just got 4 flat twists going straight back. And then I have bobby pins to secure those twists. I tried to do a braidless crochet where I just had a ponytail in the back and kind of put hair on top of that. My hair is a little too thick for that, and you can clearly tell where the ponytail is. So if you can flat twist, I do have flat twists. They're relatively a lot easier to do than the cornrows, but I can't just put my hair straight back into a ponytail because it didn't work out right. So like I said, I have 4 chunky twists going straight back, and then bobby pins to go on top of that, and that's it. That's all the hair prep that you have to do. So let's just get right into installing the hair. This is the end of 1 pack. I got a feeling I'm only going to need 2 packs. I've done all of the back and then most of the middle. So let me show you guys. I have not separated. That's another thing. I haven't separated this hair at all. I kind of like to feel the look of the Bantu knot, so I doubt I separated. I might maybe do it once or twice around here, but since I have my leave out, I don't know. We'll see. So this is what it looks like after just 1 pack. Like I said, I am only going to probably only have to use 2 packs of hair. Like I said, I used almost 2 packs. I still have this bundle left over, so almost 2 packs of hair, but it's pretty full without it, right? I'm glad I didn't separate anything. I never separated any in the front. Now if I didn't have any leave out, I probably would, just because when I'm doing the invisible knots, I want them to be smaller. But because I did do a leave out, I didn't separate it at all. So this is the front. I also haven't cut it. I evened it because there were some times when I was pulling them too long, some of the ends. So I did, cut it to make it even, but that's it. No shaping, no framing, no layering. This is just the hair straight out of the package. So this is the front. This is the side. This is the back, the side, and then the front. So yeah, I like it. What I am going to do, which is what I normally do for most of my crochet braid installs, is I'm going to wait a couple of weeks before I actually upload this, just simply because I want to be able to be prepared for any answers you guys have. Working out, I will go down to my apartment swimming pool, so I will test it out to see how it works when it's wet, and kind of give you guys all those answers when you do have questions. So I am trying to be prepared this go around. So yeah, if you do have any questions, please feel free to drop them in my comment box or email them to me. I would say I would try to do an update video, but I don't want to hold myself to that. We'll see. In the meantime and in between time, go out, check out my other videos, like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys next week. Bye.